Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, this will be the first video sa aking channel for this year 2021, and I want to start it in a nice content. So I bought some Haikyuu clothings in Shopee last year December, and it arrived today. So as you can see, I'm wearing 1 out of 5 items that I bought. So goal ko siya this year na makompleto, since it could be a short-term goal, since you have to pay the price, and hindi naman siya ganon ka-cheap. Kaya slowly we'll get there, we'll complete them. Kaya this will be the first video for my Haikyuu anime haul. So for the first item, it's this Karasuno jacket.
Kageyama君、そんなんだから友達ができないんだぞ。てめえ。
これから決勝戦うっていうのも余計な体力使ってバカじゃないの。ま。
Next is the other jacket from Shira Torizawa Academy, and it's this one. This gray color, white and violet. So ganito siya sa harap, and sa likod is yung Shira Torizawa Academy. Jersey. I all bought them in the size XXL since gusto ko siya gamitin as an oversized t-shirt. At least I know na in that shop I should buy not XXL but large only or XL para magamit ko siya sa mga laro. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, Bokuto. Sa likod. Next is the MSBY jersey ni Hinata. Since sa Karasuno, binili ko muna is si Kageyama. So, para meron ako kay Hinata, so I bought the MSBY jersey. Oh, looks so nice. 21 si Hinata Shoro. Dito. So, t-shirt na to. Yan, ang ganda.
Nice receive.
So ayun, kailangan ko magpalit since suot ko yung kay Kageyama. So, ito yung jersey ni Kageyama sa Karasuno. Yan. Tadaan!
いれば カラスのは
So, ayun guys, sobrang quick lang nung haul since onti pa lang yung nabili ko. So, stay put kayo dyan. Magkakaroon tayo ng part 2 siguro mga June? June or May, ganun. So, that's it guys for today's video. And, ayun, sobrang saya kasi nagkakaroon na ako ng mga collection sa aking Haikyuu baby. I'm so happy. Tapos lahat pa ito is around nasa 2,000. So, 2,000 pa lang. So, ayun guys. That's it for today's video. I hope you like it. Bye!